Day 2 of our riding, and we discovered a problem yesterday. My radio, I've cleaned this one up. We're getting ready to do Ryan's, but some water got in this connector here. We've cleaned it up. We'll show you how the process here when we do Ryan's. But when you hit transmit, it actually was not transmitting, and it was the connector here that got water in it. Again, this is the TYT 8600. These are, I think the microphone on these is 5.7 rated, and the radio is supposed to be 6.7. I can tell you from experience, do not spray this whole radio with a pressure washer. Bad things will happen. But if you haven't done it yet, do the following treatment that we're getting ready to do to ours, and that'll prevent this from going bad. Alright, radio number 2 here. We're just using the CRC cleaner and dielectric grease. If you're at Windrock, easiest place to get this stuff is O'Reilly's. They're in Oak Ridge. O'Reilly's typically carries this, or you can get this on Amazon. How's that one look?
It's pretty clean.
Okay, so this is a pristine one. Mine was in much worse condition. You can see there.
We'll just need grease on this one.
So what I did on mine is I used the CRC cleaner to blow out all the gook, and you just want to grease it up, and it'll kind of be like a piston, but the idea is to push the grease in everywhere that there could be water. The dielectric grease won't conduct, so it won't affect the electrical connection, but it'll keep all of the water and contaminants out of the connector. Now, did we determine, does your TX light up or not?
Mine does not.
But mine does?
Mm-hmm.
Same radio?
It does on the handset, but not on the radio itself. Yours lights up both places.
That's kind of weird. You got to kind of push it because it acts like a piston. Just work its way in slowly. And hopefully what you end up with is all the air out, all the water out, and just grease in there. And you want to check that O-ring too, make sure yours don't slide past like mine did.
Yeah, I checked it. Project complete.
Still work. That's the important part. So your TX light don't cut on?
Mm-hmm. It does on the microphone, but
mine was cutting on the microphone. Let me go turn my radio on. All right.
Test 1, 2.
Yep. Good to go. It's day 2. We rode a little short ride this morning and did some night riding last night. And we're planning on kind of hanging out here till it cools off a little bit. And gonna ride this evening. Hopefully with working radios.